Good morning. There's a butterfly. He's following me. I keep kicking him up as I walk along this trail this morning. My Sunday morning walk along the Timberlake easement. This used to be a giant ditch, and they came in and dug it up and put in 3 giant 6-foot wide, 6-foot tall pipes and run them all the way down there from that street way down there. And they're buried about 6 or 7 feet down. But it looks like they've marked a few trees for getting rid of. They're dead. Hey, a duck. What's up, duck? Looks like the county has come in, or flood control district, somebody has come in and put in a bunch of these green flags and dug a bunch of holes because they're going to plant some trees along the easement. This is probably in relation to neighbors complaining that you're taking out all the trees. So they're doing lots of good maintenance. I'm just here picking up some trash. I went for a walk last weekend. I forgot the memory card in the camera, and I noticed there was a bunch of trash. So I was like, hey, this is a lot of trash. Maybe next time I'll bring a bag and I'll pick it up. And then I thought, well, the county probably has a program to organize people to pick up trash. I know there's an event, I don't know who puts it on, called the Trash Bash. And they organize people around parks. And I don't know how they get chosen, but I think I'd like to organize something similar in my neighborhood around the equestrian trails, so that we could have a nice trail to ride on, because there seems to be a bunch of trash where the equestrian trails, the running trails, hiking trails, whatever you want to call them. There's somebody. And bridges. So people come across bridges and tend to think that's their dumpster, and they just chuck shit out the window, and it ends up down there. Well, and then after storms, a lot of flotsam ends up down there too. So I can make a dent in it, but I'm sure I'm not the only one that wouldn't mind having a cleaner trail. So maybe I'll try to organize something. I did call the county. County called me back. Good old boy. And said, well, we won't pick it up, but we'll provide bags and we'll haul it off, haul the trash off. So, oh, that's something. So I don't have to, if I can get them to drop the bags off, maybe we'll do something with Caligari and organize a weekend or a Saturday morning or something, and get some bags, some people come out, cleanup day. Might be kind of nice. I don't know. What do you think?